ready to transplant some of these pepper seedlings. Tengo un montón de plántulas de pimiento. This one germinate really easy if you want to try it, by the way. Sale muy fácil. Like you just get the seeds, throw them, cover with some dirt. Even you can place them on top of dirt and they will germinate. Las puedes poner incluso sobre el suelo, la tierra y van a salir. So this is regular bell pepper. Estos son el típico pimiento grande. And I'm gonna do 2 in cans and 2 in bottles. Again, this is not an experiment. This is just I need to do something with my seedlings. Esto no es un experimento, simplemente necesito trasplantar mis pimientos. But I mean, in a way, it can be an experiment for 2 reasons if you want. One, because I'm trying this litter, or kind of decomposed litter, I guess I have to say, from my bunny that I started probably a month ago, and I added to my worms, to my compost bin. And I think that if you look at it, it's not okay. I'm just saying this is a bag of tea, but this is, of course, there's a lot of things here like cardboard and stuff. But what I think is that this soil can still be used, and that's what I'm trying to prove here, mainly for me. Estoy tratando de probar que este suelo se puede usar. I'm not saying that it's the best, you know, but I don't think it's the worst either. It's like, and I'm using this completely as soil. Okay, I'm not using this as a fertilizer, so that's the difference. Okay, so the other method is how I've done in several of my videos. The lid with a hole, le haces un hoyo a la tapa de bebida, cortas la punta de la bebida, de la botella, perdón. You cut the top of the bottle, and you, oh yeah, this is on this one. Then you just put it in there. So this is gonna be for basically the excess of water is gonna be outside of the bottle. I mean in the bottle, but not touching the dirt. And the same with this one, right? Y el mismo con este otro sistema. Just a different bottle, but they're both the same size. They're both 500 ml. Los dos son de 500 ml. So I'm gonna add some clay pebbles right there to help in the drainage. Vamos a ir un poco estas pelotitas de arcilla para que ayuden en el drenaje. Okay, that's enough. Now we'll just use the dirt. The seedlings. Sacar la plantita. The bigger ones. So one right here. Okay. There's number 2. Number 3. And probably this one. 4. They're not all the same, huh? This one, they're not all the same size. So I guess maybe these two could be the same size, right? So these two I'm gonna have in the bottle, and the bigger ones are gonna go in the can. Las más grandes van a ir en la botella y las más chicas van a ir en las latas. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit more dirt to the cans. Un poquitito más de tierra a las latas. And there we go. That's it. Really fast, really simple. Now we're gonna water them a tiny bit. So for the can, since it doesn't have drainage, just have to wing it. Ya las que van en la lata, como no tiene drenaje, tienes que sentir cuánto pesan cuando están secas y tomarle el peso cuando están con agua. Entonces, aprender cuando tienes que regarlas, básicamente. So you learn when you have to water them. Okay. This one, well, it's different system, right? So you water this, and if it works, and if it was an excess of water, it should come out through the hole that we're probably not gonna see right now, because yeah, we're not gonna see because it's, oh yeah, there you go. See that there's some water there already? Some excess water there. Ese exceso de agua que está drenando. So in a way, that will give this also some extra moisture if it needs it. If you overwater it, the water is just gonna be here at the end of the bottle. So it's almost like, it could even be considered a self-watering system if you want, like a cheap self-watering system. There. See the same here. See? It drained all the water. It drained most of it. That's because there's not a lot of roots yet. And the soil was already moist. Thank you. See you later. Nos vemos. Chao. Gracias. Bye.